you very much. Ellie, doors to automatic and cross-check, please.
Ladies and gentlemen, a very warm welcome on board this British Airways flight down to Skiathos today. It's the BA2225, so it's operated by BA CityFlyer. Firstly, my apologies. We have a bit of a delay. It's caused by, well, unfortunately, the captain going sick, so that's caused us a little bit of a delay. I was meant to be operating something else, so we've come on board, got the aircraft ready as quickly as we could, but it, as I say, has caused us a bit of a delay, so I do apologise for that. We're now pretty much ready to go. Just some introductions first. My name's Ed Stiles, I'm the captain. With me on the flight deck, first officer's Liam Wheatley. In the cabin for you today, we've got a great team that's led by Paulina. She's the customer service manager, and she is assisted by Ellie May. As I say, thanks for boarding so promptly. We're just about ready. We do have an air traffic control restriction, and that does mean that we should be able to start the engines in around about the next 3 minutes from now. Once we get the engine started, we'll be taxiing to the right, passing off runway 27, which is the westerly facing runway here in London City. After departure, we'll be turning to the right, and then to the right again. That takes us then climbing out to the south of the UK, up to 37,000 feet initially. As we get a little bit lighter, we'll be climbing up to 39,000 feet. Routing is going to take us overhead Brussels and then out towards Germany, just skirting to the south of Frankfurt. Then we head down towards Austrian airspace and then into Slovenia, Croatia, Bosnia, Serbia, and then down through the north of Macedonia, right over the top of Thessaloniki in towards Skiathos. Coming over down there, it's not looking too bad at all. A light breeze out of the north. That will also give us some good visibility. Nice views as we get down there. We'll update you with which side is probably going to give you the better view once we get a little bit closer. The temperature down there is 25 degrees. I would imagine it's going to be about 30 degrees by the time we get down. British Airways is dedicated to your security and safety at all times, therefore I would ask you to pay particular attention to the cabin crew as they shortly demonstrate the safety briefing. I would also ask that whenever seated, you keep your seatbelt securely fastened, as unexpected turbulence is always a possibility. In the meantime, once again, many thanks for your patience. We'll try and make up some of that lost time for you en route. The flight time down there, 2 hours and 50 minutes, according to the paperwork. If we talk nicely to air traffic control, maybe about 2 hours and 45 minutes with some shortcuts. That's all from us. Enjoy the flight. Thanks for your patience, and we'll get back to you with some updates along the route. Thank you.
Off and stowed in your luggage. During the flight, all electronic devices must be switched off when not in use. As a reminder, smoking is not permitted at any time whilst on board. We will now demonstrate the safety features of this aircraft, and your attention is essential as these may differ from any aircraft that you have flown on before. Please study the safety card in your seat area, as this includes important safety information specific to this aircraft type, such as brace position and location and operation of doors. In the event of an emergency, low-level lighting will guide you to an exit. All exits are clearly marked and are being pointed out to you now by your cabin crew. Please take a moment to let the crew know. Devices must be switched off when not being used in flight. Please ensure your hand baggage does not block the aisles or exits. It must be put under the seat in front of you or in an overhead locker. Place items in the locker carefully, as they may fall out and injure someone. In the case of an evacuation, you must move quickly to the closest usable exit, taking nothing with you. Ensure that your seat is now upright and in the takeoff position, with the armrest down and your table folded away. Window blinds must now be open in preparation for takeoff. Smoking and the use of e-cigarettes is not permitted anywhere whilst on board. This includes the toilets, which are fitted with smoke detectors. If you have any questions, please ask your cabin crew.
Thank you, doors manual and cross check.
So please take care when disembarking and use the handrails. Once on the ground, please follow the instructions given by the ground colleagues who will direct you onto the first route to take you into the terminal building. Electronic devices, including mobile phones, is not used between the aircraft and the terminal building. Once again, thank you and have a great afternoon.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's time for the flight deck. A warm welcome to lovely sunny Skiathos. The stairs just being attached to the left-hand side of the aircraft as I speak. Hopefully a bus should be arriving in the not too distant future and have you on your way to the terminal. In the end, around about 10 minutes behind schedule, so we did manage to make up some of that last time. Once again, my apologies for the late arrival. Thanks for your patience, it's much appreciated. Have a lovely rest of the day and a lovely holiday down here at Skiathos. Temperature outside around about 30 degrees. Thank you. Have a good day.
Thank you very much. Bye-bye.